All right, so here we are, Import Faceoff 2022, here with the Supra, about to do my first pass. Well, I thought I was, but they just halted everything for some reason. Maybe someone spilled something. But here at the Supra, hoping to get a 10-second pass today. I don't know. So if you guys don't know, if you haven't been following, we are on pump gas, made 540 wheel. So hopefully that's good enough for a 10-second pass. Hopefully we'll probably be around 127, 25 to 27, I think, I'm assuming. So yeah, well, let's see how this first one goes. My first pass is never a good pass, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record it. We'll see. All right. Hopefully the track prep is good. My tires are cold. TPMS says my tires are at 50 degrees, so I don't think I'm gonna get traction on this one. Hopefully it warms up later in the day. All right, first run. That run sucked. What did we get here? 11.7 at 127. So with the 127 trap, I think we are at least a low 11, high 10 seconds. I know it could trap higher than 127, judging by the way it feels, so. All right, Travis is up. What's up, Josh? How you doing? Probably track prep. Oh well. Oh really? He lost the sensor. At 148. 148? God damn. Yeah, that's what's up. 148. Power up in the top end. Oh yeah. It's making the juice. Yeah. Let's go. Lady's gonna yell at us. Probably. Fuck it. I'm gonna stop right here. Fully built STI against a stock block WRX. Let's do this. We got Mr. Bader piloting the WRX. Be a good one. Hell yeah. Josh is over there. No, that's That's all you? This Porsche is absolutely beautiful. Love that color. Hope we do good on this one. Pass number 2. Oh man, look at all that smoke.
Hello there, bud. Get that camera out of here.
What happened?
Dude, I don't care what
I know,
happened.
I saw that.
That's all I care about. I told him, you get these on these big jobs. Dude, she's a full weight pig, 139 trap. That's an 800 wheel trap right
800.
there, boys.
Holy shit. That's what's up.
Blew my damn oil cap off.
Is that why he's smoking all
gone.
that? Is that why?
They said ejecto.
What did you do, dude?
I don't know where the oil cap went.
Look at this. You're like, yeah, buddy, I saw that.
That's what happens when you try to go for a record. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. I still call this a win. So
That's racing, right? It's definitely a win.
I'll pay the cost of a motor for that time. So
hell yeah, brother.
Trap 800 wheel. Car made 819 on our dyno last night at 41 pounds. So here we are, boys. Take that. So she laid over in fifth. I think there was a bit more in it, but you see our old little stocky piston said I can't hang no more. So
all right.
Here comes old Devin.
That run sucked. I had to let out. Only trapped 125 at 12.5. We're 60 foot so far at a 2.0. Yeah, that run sucked. Oh well. That didn't feel right at all. Out here with the boys. Ain't that right, Chandler?
Oh yeah.
Just checking out Chandler's Tomei. Sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. Chandler with the TEs, of course, looking clean, looking fresh. There we go. All right, that was a short video, but I think I'm done for today. Had a bunch of fun with the boys. You know, I mean, the car could have done a whole lot better. I mean, there's a lot more in it. You know, it traps 130 miles an hour, and that's with some wheel spin. But, you know, shout out to BBR team for having me. Really do appreciate it. All right, so we're now back home with the Supra. Had a wonderful time today at the drag strip, and you know what, I know the car didn't do any good ETs, but we did set a new trap speed for the car. So now, but let me just give you guys a little backstory. Now, before, the car only trapped 122 miles an hour on the old tune, which was a base MHD map. Now it's on Ecutek. Now it's tuned by Mikey Botti. We picked up almost 8 miles an hour as far as the trap speed. So 122 to a 129 trap speed. The car's making good power, and the tune is solid. No issues with the tune whatsoever. Now, why didn't the car do any good ETs? Well, it's simply because of me. It's, you know, this car needs a driver mod and a stickier tire. Now, this is on Michelin PS4S's. Not a really good tire for drag racing on a rear-wheel drive car. So hopefully, you know, we can get drag radials in the future. We'll we'll go back to the drag strip, and I'm quite positive this car will do with the 130 mile an hour trap speed, probably a mid to high 10-second pass. It's in it. It's just, you know, the driver's not skillful enough to do it on these tires. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.